Hello there. So we are going on a ride to Dzuleke today. First Kohima and then Dzuleke. And I also have a riding partner with me today. Angavi, looking smart. So I first need to fuel up and then we will head nicely. So let's begin the ride. भगवान का नाम लेके it's going to be a very good trip. It's from Dimapur. This is Dimapur now. We are in Dimapur. This is 4th mile. This is where the airport is, and we are going to Kohima first, which will be around 60-65 kilometers, and then Pulibadze, then Dzuleke, and that's how our trip will continue. As soon as we lose this traffic, there will be open roads, like maybe a bit less traffic, you know. I'm also wearing mask today, so I'm not sure whether my voice would be completely audible or not. And you see on the side camera, there is my friend fully geared up, all Royal Enfield accessories. Rich guy. Oh, by the way, his name is Ankavi. I'll introduce him later in the video. But because of this mask, it's completely, my windscreen is getting completely foggy. Okay, never mind. I was thinking I am overdressed or something, but then I was thinking I'm overdressed or something. I thought that he is just going to be in his normal clothes, and then, but he is completely geared up. Thank God I came up with all my gears and all, or else it would have been very embarrassing. He would have thought that, then he would have said, I thought you must be geared up, that's why I got geared up, right? So it's 100 kilometers already. Just look at his bike, how nicely has he maintained his bike, man. Hats off. खर्चा किया भाई ने बाइक पे यार, खर्चा किया मतलब. Look at all the saddles and everything. Wait, let me get close to his bike and then I'll tell you. Just look at his saddles. Look at his fuel pumps and everything. See the hand guards, the knuckle guards and everything. And also the tank bags. That's why I didn't keep anything behind. He has an intercom, so he must be listening to music or something. I'm busy here talking. Where is Kohima board? 56 kilometers ahead from here. Feels good to be back on the road, man. Feels very, very good. Okay, I think we are in Sovima. We are in Sovima. We would be getting near Patkai, which is 7th mile, I think. After 7th mile, obviously after Chumukdima. So Chumukdima was in Dimapur only before, but then it got separated and it's a different district now. Some trivia. Okay, so lazy Friday morning, no office today. Obviously, I took a leave. Took a leave, and then it's the climate is superb. The climate is so nice. The roads are empty, and what I see just in front of me, the Naga Hills has started. We would be officially getting into the Naga Hills region now. Like Dimapur, where we stay, it's actually a plain region, and now we would be heading inside the Naga Hills region. So everything is going good till now. Hope it's good even during the entire duration of the trip, right? Okay, so as soon as we take a left turn here, we'll finally enter the Naga Hills region. I'll show you the gate where it's written welcome to Nagaland or welcome to Naga Hills, as far as I remember. I think it's welcome to Nagaland, I think. Land of festivals or something, it must be written there. think I should fuel up. I think I should fuel up before it's too late. It's like I've already rode 107 kilometers on reserve, so it will hardly go 120. So within 13 kilometers I will have to, you know, fuel up, so that I don't end up having zero fuel on my bike and end up pushing my bike. That will be a very bad experience. This is the Chate River Bridge, and here we are. This is Patkai. Yeah, I was telling you about a gate, right? So this is where the gate is. Welcome to hills of Nagaland and all. Fuel pump तो ना है. फ्यूल पंप नाही सामने दे. फ्यूल पंप नाही सामने दे. होय नाही असे आहे ना. So okay. Whoa. Awesome, man. Kohima 14 kilometers, Kohima 54, Mao, I don't know where Mao is, I think in Manipur, and then Imphal is 188. Okay, so my next goal is to just find a fuel pump. I should have just stopped there. I thought that there must be so many fuel stations right there, right? So I did not think much, but I should have. So the next stop would be the fuel pump. I did not want to stop because I wanted to capture this route first and then only stop somewhere for a break, right? Not here. So all we would find here is just curves and curves, and once we enter Kohima, the wind is going to change there. The wind is going to be more colder there. Maybe because I went to Kohima last year February, right? That's why I don't feel, that's why I didn't think it would be, but yeah. Oh man, look at him cruising, man. Nice. I'm getting excited watching him cruising like that. But you have to be very cautious on these roads because everywhere there is construction going on, right? Even last time it was like this, even this time it is like this. Another Himalayan spotted just passed through us. but this roads, beauty. It's very beautiful, man. They're literally very beautiful. Oh, look at those clouds, man. Such clear clouds and clear view of that mountain here. Looks beautiful. Looks very, very beautiful, man. So there is an operation toll gate. Maybe after this we would find the town, and in the town we might find petrol pumps. Yep. There is a petrol pump there where I'm going to stop and fuel up completely. Okay. full कर दो. क्या बोल रहे हैं? हाँ हाँ पेट्रोल डाल दीजिए. फ्यूल फुल फ्यूल बोल रहा हूँ. यूपीआई तो है ना? थोड़ा सा और डाल दिया. बस 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 बस. हाँ कर दीजिए 70.
गाड़ी लग गया. कहाँ मोबाइल में
1370 ना? हाँ